I wanted to give you guys an update on how things are going here, and I've been working really hard to get the working area okay, which means that Marvin hasn't been, well, there's little issues with Marvin. For instance, the broken belt has been neglected for a while, and Marvin has to do some catching up, which he started yesterday, and he's doing fine. So I replaced the belts with these ones. They're actually the same but a different brand. They're, I think, a little less flexible, but anyway, fine. So up to my working spot. As you can see, not everything is yet into my working spot. Still work in progress. And here is a box from a lathe. Yep. It is no longer there. So the idea is to put all working materials in this section, or big thingies that you can move, put wheels on them, and use the lathe to make the axes and stuff like that. So I got a wooden floor, wooden ceiling, and here is my milling machine. Whoops! And next to it is my brand new lathe with a huge switch. You turn it on, and a light. And I already used it yesterday to do some center hole drilling. Yep. And that works fine. So here's lots of tools hanging on the wall. More stuff to hang on the wall anyway. And here's still needs to get organized. Still needs to get organized. Up we go. Here we made some progress too. We've got a floor now. Yes, a floor. It's definitely not finished. We've got insulation. We have insulation now. This part, the plates are still moving freely. So these need to be attached, and there's definitely not enough of them. And stuff needs to be placed in these cupboards, of which there are not enough of them. So yeah, we're continuing.